Some love stories heal the heart, some fight against fate, and some uncover long-buried secrets. But in the end, happiness finds its way. If you love Turkish dramas with happy endings, then get ready because today's list is for you. Welcome to Turkish Drama Notion, where you can explore the best Turkish series with English subtitles. Let's dive into the top 7 superhit Turkish drama series that promise a satisfying and happy conclusion. Gelsin Hayat Bildiği Gibi. Let life come as it knows. Sometimes life doesn't go as planned, but maybe that's the beauty of it. This series follows the journey of people who embrace the unexpected, finding happiness in the most surprising places. Can they leave the past behind and create a new future? To know how their story unfolds, watch this drama, Tuzak, Trap, a story of revenge, justice, and unexpected love. A team of masterminds set up traps to expose corruption and take down the most powerful criminals. But in this dangerous game, emotions run high and nothing is what it seems. Will they win their fight for justice? Or will the trap they set become their own downfall? Watch this drama to see how this intense story ends. Yürek Eskiyemez. Secrets on an Angel, a family torn apart by past mistakes, and a truth hidden for years. When long-buried secrets come to light, everyone must face their deepest fears and regrets. Can love heal the wounds of the past, or will their pain keep them apart? To know what happens next, don't miss this powerful drama. Cop Adam, the Stickman. Tamer, a simple man with a gift for art, suddenly becomes a sensation when his stickman drawings take the world by storm. But fame isn't always a blessing. His success brings secrets, betrayals, and the risk of losing himself. Will he hold on to love and happiness? Or will the price of fame be too high? Watch this drama to see how his journey unfolds. Ego Perky Guven Olmaz, no trust in the man. Sibel, a powerful businesswoman, has everything except one thing: a family. When she learns she has little time left to have a child, she makes a shocking offer to Erhan, a man who is already engaged. A marriage contract, a deal for convenience. But what happens when real emotions get in the way? Will this unexpected union bring happiness, or will it destroy them both? Find out in this emotional rollercoaster. Veda Mektubu, Farewell Letter, a love story that was left unfinished, a past that refuses to stay buried, and a second chance that changes everything. When old love letters resurface, they shake the lives of those who thought their love was lost forever. But will reopening old wounds lead to happiness, or will it bring more heartbreak? Watch this drama to uncover the truth. ADM Farah. My name is Farah. Farah, an Iranian woman living in Istanbul, works as a cleaning lady to save money for her sick son's treatment. But one night, she accidentally witnesses a murder, and her life takes a dangerous turn. She crosses paths with Tahir, a man with a dark past, but a heart that may hold the love and protection she desperately needs. Will Farah and Tahir escape the dangers surrounding them? Will she finally find peace for herself and her son? To find out, watch this drama. These 7 Turkish dramas bring love, passion, and a perfect happy ending. If you love feel-good stories with heartwarming conclusions, these shows are a must-watch. Which one will you watch first? Let me know in the comments.